What if I told you that the simplest stone lying in your backyard could hold the power to transform your garden into a magical masterpiece? Imagine stepping outside and seeing glowing pebble paths, fairy stone houses, and jaw-dropping rock sculptures that make your small garden look like a scene from a dream. You don't need expensive materials or huge spaces, just a little creativity and a handful of stones. Welcome to Golden Hours Garden, the place where we turn ordinary gardens into extraordinary escapes. Today we're diving into 10 genius stone art ideas that will completely change the way you see your small garden. So if you love discovering creative, budget-friendly ways to make your garden come alive, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Golden Hours Garden, and tap the bell so you never miss any of our fresh garden inspirations. Let's get started. Stone art has a timeless charm that blends nature's raw beauty with human creativity. Unlike plastic decorations or store-bought ornaments, stones carry an organic character that never goes out of style. Their natural textures, shapes, and colors add depth and contrast to even the tiniest garden spaces. Whether smooth and polished or rugged and raw, each stone tells its own quiet story, and when arranged with care, they transform an ordinary corner into a stunning display. In small gardens, where every detail matters, stone art can be the perfect way to create balance and personality. Because stones come in endless sizes and tones, they allow you to craft unique patterns, borders, sculptures, or even living art forms that complement your plants. A simple pebble mosaic, a carefully stacked tower, or a painted garden stone can become a striking centerpiece without taking up much space. This makes stone art especially powerful for gardeners working with compact yards, patios, or balcony gardens. Another beauty of stone art is its lasting nature. While flowers may fade with seasons, and wooden decor may weather away, stones remain sturdy and constant through the years. They resist harsh sunlight, heavy rain, and even frost, making them the perfect companion to your growing plants. With a little creativity, they not only decorate but also serve functional roles, guiding pathways, protecting soil, or framing plant beds. In this way, stone art brings both artistry and practicality, elevating your small garden into a place of wonder. Stone art idea 1. Pebble mosaic pathway. A pebble mosaic pathway is one of the most eye-catching ways to bring elegance and character into a small garden. Imagine stepping into your garden and being guided by a trail of carefully arranged stones forming patterns of spirals, flowers, or even geometric designs. Pebbles are easy to collect, affordable to buy, and versatile enough to create almost any design you can dream of. Even in the narrowest spaces, a pebble pathway gives the illusion of depth and flow, drawing the eye deeper into your garden. Creating a pebble mosaic is simpler than it looks. First, choose a spot where a pathway naturally fits, like an entryway, a path to your seating area, or between flower beds. Then select pebbles in different colors, sizes, and shapes to add contrast and variety. Lay them out in your chosen pattern, whether it's a swirling spiral, a sunburst, or a repeating motif. Fill in the gaps with sand or mortar to keep them secure, and suddenly, what was once plain dirt becomes an artistic walkway that feels both functional and decorative. The best part about a pebble mosaic pathway is how it transforms the atmosphere of a small garden. Not only does it provide structure and direction, but it also adds a sense of craftsmanship and care. Guests who step onto it immediately notice the thoughtfulness behind the design. And for you, it's a daily reminder that art doesn't have to hang on a wall, it can live right under your feet. With every step, the pathway becomes part of your gardening story, blending natural stone with personal creativity. Stone art idea 2. Rock tower sculptures. Rock tower sculptures bring a sense of balance and calm into any garden, no matter how small. By stacking smooth stones carefully one on top of the other, you create an art form that feels both natural and intentional. These towers have been used for centuries in different cultures as symbols of peace, mindfulness, and direction. In a small garden, they instantly draw the eye and add a touch of quiet beauty, like little monuments celebrating nature's harmony. The process of making a rock tower is simple, yet surprisingly meditative. Start by selecting stones of varying sizes, making sure the base stones are the largest and flattest for stability. Then gradually stack smaller stones on top, testing their balance until you find the perfect fit. Each layer requires patience, and the act itself can feel calming, almost like a form of garden meditation. Once complete, your sculpture can be left in its natural state for an earthy look, or surrounded by moss and plants to enhance its presence. Placing rock towers in the right spots makes them stand out as unique garden features. You can build them beside a water feature, along a pathway, or at the edge of a flower bed, to serve as visual anchors. In the evening, soft lighting around the towers creates dramatic shadows that make them appear even more enchanting. Despite their simplicity, rock tower sculptures capture attention and bring a sense of artistry to small spaces without overwhelming the garden. They're proof that sometimes, the simplest ideas leave the biggest impressions. Stone art idea 3. Painted pebbles as garden labels. Painted pebbles are a charming way to add both color and function to a small garden. Instead of using store-bought plastic markers, you can transform simple stones into vibrant labels that identify your herbs, vegetables, and flowers. Flat, smooth pebbles work best for painting because their surfaces provide a natural little canvas. Once finished, they not only guide you in keeping track of your plants, but also decorate your garden with cheerful splashes of art. The process is straightforward and enjoyable, making it a perfect family activity. Begin by collecting or purchasing smooth, flat stones. Wash and dry them thoroughly so the paint adheres well. Use non-toxic acrylic paints or weatherproof markers to draw the names of plants in bright, bold letters. You can also add little illustrations, a tomato on the marker for tomatoes, a leaf for basil, or a flower for lavender. To protect the artwork from sun and rain, apply a clear outdoor sealant once the paint dries. Suddenly, what was just an ordinary pebble becomes a lasting, functional piece of art. Beyond their usefulness, painted pebbles add a playful personality to small gardens. When placed at the base of each plant, they tie the garden together with pops of color and creativity. Guests will notice not only the beauty of your plants but also the care you've taken to make your space unique. For children, these painted stones can spark curiosity and make gardening more interactive. In the end, these garden labels remind us that even the smallest details, like a hand-painted pebble, can make a garden feel more alive and personal. Stone art idea 4. Stone borders and edging. Stone borders are one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to add definition and structure to a small garden. By lining flower beds, vegetable patches, or pathways with stones, you instantly create a clean, polished look that feels natural and timeless. Borders help separate different areas, guiding the eye and giving even the smallest garden a sense of order. The beauty lies in how versatile they are. You can keep it rustic with uneven stones, or go for a sleek look with uniform rocks. Creating stone borders doesn't require complicated tools or expensive materials. Begin by choosing stones that match the character of your garden. Smooth river rocks for a softer appearance, or rugged field stones for a more traditional look. Dig a shallow trench where you want the border. Then place the stones firmly in the soil. For extra stability, you can use gravel or sand as a base. Whether stacked neatly or laid side by side, the stones act as both a decorative frame and a natural barrier. Beyond the aesthetics, stone edging has practical benefits too. It helps prevent soil from spilling into pathways, keeps mulch and gravel in place, and provides a small shield against weeds creeping into your garden beds. When sunlight casts shadows across the stone edges, they create a subtle play of texture that brings your garden to life throughout the day. A simple border made of stones may seem like a small detail, but it adds structure, charm, and lasting durability to your outdoor space. Stone art idea 5. Miniature fairy stone houses. Miniature fairy stone houses bring a magical, storybook feel to any small garden. Built from tiny stones, moss, and bits of wood, these little houses invite imagination and wonder, turning an ordinary corner into an enchanting scene. They appeal to both children and adults, creating a sense of playfulness and mystery as if fairies truly might be hiding among the plants. In small gardens, where space is precious, these miniature creations make an outsized impact, drawing attention and sparking conversation. Crafting a fairy house is a simple yet rewarding project. Start by gathering small flat stones for walls and slightly larger ones for the foundation. Use natural materials like twigs for doors, bark for roofs, or moss as a soft green accent. For a sturdier design, you can use outdoor adhesive to hold the stones in place, or simply stack them carefully for a more rustic look. The key is to let your imagination guide the design, whether it's a tiny cottage tucked under a shrub, or a whole village scattered among potted plants. The charm of fairy stone houses lies in the sense of wonder they bring. Positioned along a pathway, at the base of a tree, or inside a container garden, they invite visitors to pause and look closer. At night, placing a small solar lantern or glowstone nearby makes the fairy house glow softly, enhancing the magical atmosphere. These whimsical creations remind us that gardening is not only about growing plants, it's about creating experiences and little moments of joy. A fairy house built from stones makes even the smallest garden feel alive with stories waiting to be told. Stone art idea 6. Water feature. With stones, a water feature built with stones can turn even the tiniest garden into a serene escape. The sound of flowing water has a calming effect, and when paired with natural stone, it creates a centerpiece that feels organic and timeless. Whether it's a small bubbling fountain, a trickling waterfall, or a miniature pond framed with rocks, the combination of water and stone instantly elevates the beauty of a small garden. It brings movement, sound, and reflection, all of which make your outdoor space feel more alive. Creating a stone water feature is easier than many imagine. Begin with a container or basin that fits the scale of your garden. Then line it with stones to form the base and sides. A simple water pump can be used to circulate water, sending it bubbling over stacked stones or cascading down a gentle slope. Round river rocks create a smooth flowing look, while rougher stones add texture and contrast. Once assembled, the sound of trickling water paired with the visual elegance of stones makes the feature feel like a natural spring hidden in your own backyard. The beauty of a stone water feature goes beyond its looks. It attracts birds, butterflies, and other small wildlife, making your garden feel connected to nature in a deeper way. At night, you can place a soft solar light near the stones to highlight the water's movement, creating a magical atmosphere. Even in a small garden, a modest water feature serves as a soothing focal point, where you can pause, relax, and recharge. It proves that with just a few stones and a bit of creativity, you can bring the peaceful sound of flowing water into the heart of your home garden. Stone Art Idea 7. Spiral Stone Herb Garden. A spiral stone herb garden is both artistic and practical, making it one of the most genius ways to use stones in a small space. Built by arranging stones in a spiral shape that rises upward, this design creates a stunning centerpiece, while also giving you more room to grow herbs. The spiral structure isn't just decorative, it cleverly maximizes planting space and allows different herbs to thrive according to their sunlight and water needs. In a small garden, it becomes both a functional feature and a striking piece of stone art. Building a spiral stone herb garden starts with choosing a spot where it can be easily seen, such as the middle of a yard, or even a corner of a patio. Place larger stones at the base to form the outer curve. Then gradually stack smaller stones as you work your way inward and upward, creating a spiral wall that rises like a gentle mound. Fill the spaces with soil as you build, so that the spiral becomes both a raised bed and a sculptural feature. The design naturally creates levels, drier soil at the top, and more moisture near the bottom, perfect for growing a variety of herbs together. What makes this idea so special is the blend of art and function. Imagine thyme, rosemary, and oregano thriving near the top, where it's sunniest and driest, while parsley, basil, or mint enjoy the cooler, moister soil at the bottom. The spiral shape becomes a living sculpture, with greenery spilling beautifully over the stone edges. At night, the spiral's curves cast fascinating shadows, giving your garden a unique texture and depth. This simple project proves that with nothing more than stones and soil, you can create an herb garden that is practical, space-saving, and visually breathtaking. Stone Art Idea 8. Glow-in-the-dark pebble path. A glow-in-the-dark pebble path transforms a small garden into a magical wonderland after the sun sets. By using glow pebbles or painting regular stones with glow-in-the-dark paint, you can create pathways that gently illuminate themselves at night. This adds both charm and practicality, allowing you to navigate your garden safely while creating an enchanting nighttime atmosphere. Even a narrow garden path becomes a focal point, guiding visitors through a sparkling, dreamlike scene. Creating a glowing path is simple and fun. Start by selecting smooth, flat pebbles that will sit comfortably along your walkway. You can either buy pre-glowing stones or use glow-in-the-dark paint to coat your own. Arrange the pebbles in patterns that appeal to you, spirals, waves, or simple linear designs, and make sure they are secured with sand or mortar, so they stay in place. As the sun sets, the pebbles absorb light and release it slowly, glowing softly to outline your pathway with a magical shimmer. The impact of a glowing pebble path goes beyond aesthetics. It adds an element of surprise and delight to your garden, making evening strolls feel like walking through a fairy tale. It's especially effective in small gardens where lighting options are limited, because it doesn't require electricity or large lamps. With just a few stones, you can create a pathway that is both functional and whimsical, proving that small creative touches can make your garden feel larger, more magical, and utterly unforgettable. Stone Art Idea 9. Stone Animal Sculptures. Stone animal sculptures bring personality and whimsy to a small garden, turning ordinary stones into playful art. By arranging pebbles and rocks to resemble animals like turtles, owls or ladybugs, you can create charming focal points that capture attention and spark imagination. These sculptures add a fun, creative element to your garden, while still blending naturally with the surrounding plants. In small spaces, even a tiny stone turtle or a stone cat can feel like a delightful surprise waiting to be discovered. Creating stone animals is easier than it seems, and can be a fantastic weekend project. Start by selecting stones of different sizes and shapes that mimic the body parts of your chosen animal. Larger stones for the body, smaller ones for the head, legs or tail. Arrange them carefully to achieve balance and proportion, using outdoor adhesive if needed for stability. You can leave them natural for a rustic look, or paint them with vibrant colors to make them stand out. Each sculpture is unique, reflecting both your creativity and the natural charm of the stones themselves. Beyond their decorative appeal, stone animal sculptures add layers of interaction and delight to your garden. Children will love spotting the hidden critters, and visitors will admire the playful touch that brings life to your outdoor space. They work beautifully as accents along pathways, near water features, or nestled among flower beds. These sculptures prove that even in a small garden, creativity and imagination can make a lasting impression, turning ordinary stones into art that is both whimsical and unforgettable. Stone Art Idea 10. Zen Stone Garden Corner. A Zen stone garden corner brings tranquility, balance, and a sense of calm to even the smallest garden space. Inspired by traditional Japanese rock gardens, this design uses carefully placed stones, sand, and patterns to create a peaceful retreat. By arranging stones thoughtfully and raking sand or gravel into gentle patterns, you can craft a meditative area that encourages reflection and relaxation. Even in a compact garden, a Zen corner becomes a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Creating a Zen stone garden corner is both simple and deeply rewarding. Begin by selecting a quiet corner of your garden and clearing the area of debris. Arrange a few larger stones as anchors, positioning them in visually balanced groupings. Fill the remaining space with fine gravel or sand, which can be raked into calming patterns such as spirals, waves, or concentric circles. The design can be minimalistic, focusing on simplicity and balance, or more elaborate with moss, small plants, or tiny figurines to enhance the natural beauty. The beauty of a Zen stone garden lies in its versatility and timeless appeal. It not only serves as a visual centerpiece, but also as a tool for mindfulness and stress relief. Sitting nearby and watching the patterns in the sand, listening to the subtle crunch beneath your feet, or simply admiring the stone's natural forms can be profoundly calming. Even in a small garden, a Zen stone corner invites you to pause, breathe, and reconnect with nature, proving that thoughtful stone arrangements can transform ordinary spaces into havens of peace and inspiration. And there you have it, 10 genius stone art ideas that can completely transform even the smallest garden into a jaw-dropping masterpiece. From pebble mosaic pathways, to fairy stone houses, glowing pebble paths, and serene Zen corners, each idea shows how simple stones can add beauty, personality, and function to your outdoor space. The best part, these projects are all budget-friendly, creative, and perfect for gardeners of any experience level. Remember, gardening is not just about plants, it's about creating experiences and moments of joy. Every stone you place, every pebble you paint, and every tiny sculpture you build contributes to a garden that feels alive, personal, and magical. Small spaces don't have to limit your creativity. They can challenge you to think outside the box and make every detail count. Whether you try a rock tower, a spiral herb garden, or a glowing pathway, your small garden can become a canvas for your imagination. If you love these ideas and want more garden inspiration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Golden Hours Garden, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new creative tip. Share your favorite stone art idea in the comments below. We'd love to see which ones inspire you the most. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, even the smallest stones can create the biggest impact in your garden.